Hey, have you ever wanted to create stunning AI-generated images without spending a dime? Today, I'll show you a crazy simple trick to get unlimited credits, completely free. And trust me, there's a super valuable secret at the end of this video you don't want to miss. All right, let's jump right in. So, you probably heard about Leonardo AI, the tool that gives you free tokens to generate incredible images every day. But the catch is, those tokens run out really quickly, right? I totally get the frustration. So here's how I found a way to keep getting free tokens. No hacks, no complicated stuff. Super easy. First, make sure you're logged into your account. You'll see your token balance at the top. Usually it's around 150 tokens each day. If you're like me and you love creating high-quality images, you'll burn through those tokens fast, especially with the premium models. Now, let's create some sample images. Try entering a cool prompt like a majestic lion under neon lights, hyper-realistic, ultra HD detail. Feel free to tweak it for your own style. Try vibrant colors for a unique look. Hit generate and watch Leonardo AI do its magic. Each image might cost you anywhere from 18 to 70 tokens, depending on the settings and models you pick. Once you see that out of tokens message, most people would stop there. But wait, here's the simple trick I just discovered. Click on Settings in the left menu. Go to Account. Scroll down to Delete Account. Click Delete. It'll briefly log you out. Don't worry, that's part of the process. Now, log back into the same account. If you did it right, boom! Your free tokens are topped up to 150 again. Repeat. You can keep doing this a few times. For my testing, it keeps working for multiple runs. I suggest using it responsibly, since this loophole may be patched anytime. Let's try a different prompt this time. A futuristic city at sunset, reflected in glass skyscrapers, cinematic lighting, ultra sharp. Each time you repeat these steps, you get more tokens and can keep generating stunning images for free. Okay, I will try one more time. I tried 3 times already, and this is my 4th one, still working without any issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Have you tried Leonardo AI yet? What would you create if you had unlimited tokens? I'd love to hear your ideas, and I have even more awesome AI tricks coming soon, so stay tuned.